Hello boss, are you still looking for a reliable, high-quality used excavator? We have hundreds of rigorously selected machines from well-known brands, meeting the needs of various working conditions worldwide.
Doosan, Caterpillar, Honda, Kubota, Sany, Bulldozer, Roller, Grader, Howell, Crane.
Before each machine arrives at the factory, our inspection team conducts rigorous tests, excavations, and inspections to ensure that no quality issues arise. From Asia to Africa, from Europe to the Americas, we have provided reliable equipment to customers in hundreds of countries and regions around the world. Choose us, choose professionalism and reliability.